actually omupiira tetulina nnyo kitukyusiza naye ejjwala tulina kukyusa bwongo bw'abasambi kuba basoose first half ng'olaba basamba nga kye basamba si ekyo kye twakubale traininga so bwe tugenze mu second half basobodde okuddamu ne basituka bo bennyini kuba sigamba nti nkyusiza abasambi naye abo bennyini abadde mu kisaawe be basobodde okwesitula ne basobola okutuba ggoolo 2.
Kati Mutebi
nti omanye ebintu biri ebintu bibiri refu asalawo naffe ne tulowooza ekyaffe kyandibadde ekituufu naye refu abanga kuba yalamula definitely yaba omutuufu obeera tebagibaze naye enywedde naffe tuba tumanyi nti ekoze eki enywedde naye katonda bwe kito bwe kize nti refu kyasazeewo kyekiba ekituufu always. We've played against Gaddafi whereby we have been aware but seemingly it would have been our game in hand, but unfortunately that we've got a draw which wasn't that bad because we had scored a third goal which we thought it would have been allowed by as a goal, but since the assistant referee signaled an offside because she was the one on the line, not us, but for us we couldn't imagine, but that was what happened. But we had a good fight, but we deserved a win in the game.
Okay, what better things did you...
It was just talking with our boys just to push themselves up because in the first half they were playing a dull game without speed. But when we went in the second half, we talked to them. That's when they changed the attitude and we were in position to at least to score the 2 goals we got.
Coach Felix was up, Coach Gaddafi, assistant Coach Gaddafi. We think it's 2 points lost. We don't draw against the right side, but we think we lost 2 points.
What?
We lacked concentration.
What do you mean by lacking concentration?
We lost it. We lost concentration. We went up. We came back on, we equalized and we went up until when we equalized and we missed some good chances. Amanya Sikabuza Felix Kawoya, assistant coach Gaddafi, and closer to Subone we were to Sude. And we were to actually want to team last week to Stars. Sangaru is concentration and the focus. We also to wanga bakomane batugata ne batwa then at eventually to gata. I didn't want to miss him Saminji and Sangi and but give goals.